Here is what might make you rethink your next fast food order. Well, a groundbreaking new study reveals that junk food can scramble your memory in just as little as 4 days. Well, that's right. Researchers from the UNC School of Medicine have discovered that just a handful of days on a high-fat Western-style diet, think cheeseburgers, fries, and all those tempting, greasy favorites, can actually rewire your brain's memory hub. So what's really happening when you bite into that burger? Well, the scientists zeroed in on a unique group of brain cells in the hippocampus known as the CCK interneurons. These cells become hyperactive in response to a high-fat diet, and it turns out that this jump in activity is triggered because the brain can't receive glucose the way it should. Why does this matter? It matters because glucose is the main fuel for these memory-critical cells. In a mice study, within just 4 days of switching to junk food, the memory processing abilities in mice took a hit. Well, the results were clear. Even before weight gain or diabetes set in, the very circuits responsible for forming and retrieving memories were disrupted. What's even more eye-opening is how quickly this change occurs. According to Huan Song, the principal investigator, these CCK interneurons shift their behavior fast, just days after reduced glucose availability, and this alone is enough to impair memory function. And if you're wondering whether this could affect humans as well, the answer is scientists are very interested to know more on this, and further research is underway. Well, the study did not stop at problems only. It actually looked for solutions as well. One encouraging finding was that restoring proper glucose balance in the brain calmed these overactive neurons and fixed the memory glitches in mice. And here is a practical takeaway for all of us. Dietary interventions like intermittent fasting after a period of unhealthy eating were shown to normalize brain function and improve memory. Well, this research is particularly important because it suggests a direct link between dietary patterns and the risk of developing diseases like dementia and Alzheimer's. Fatty junk foods don't just risk our waistline, they can rapidly disrupt memory circuits in our brain, potentially contributing to neurodegenerative disorders down the line. The team at UNC plans to investigate these glucose-sensitive neurons to better understand their roles in brain rhythms and cognitive health. Future studies will explore lifestyle-based approaches such as balanced diets and perhaps medication to preserve memory and reduce obesity-related brain decline. So next time a craving for junk food hits, remember your brain's memory hub may be paying the price sooner than you think. Good nutrition is more than just a long-term investment. It's the key to a sharper mind.